I would describe sound of innovation like sounds of fireworks, sequence of events that are keeping and entering into the path of innovation.
For me, the sound of innovation is like a summer storm. When you start hearing the thunders arriving and then suddenly the rain comes and you could hear the sound of the rain and the environment totally changes.
This kind of event is, I think one of the most important because it's able to make sustainability at the center of the stage.
To me, the sound of innovation is like when you play music, you are an ensemble, so you have players, they try to figure out how to create new things together.
The sound of innovation to me is communication. This event has been a fantastic opportunity to meet people in a similar space, either from the startup side or the corporates looking to communicate.
It sounds like an orchestra, so everybody has to play his instrument and you can develop a new music, a new harmony all together at the same pace.
I love being part of this event. It's great that you're bringing the different players in the entire value chain together under one forum.
Well, it is very nice to be here. It's very nice to see in Italy such an international environment with such a vibrant proposition where everybody can express what the future could be and how we can interact with this future to make it better.